Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm so glad that you're here today. My name is Ashley and I sell things on eBay part-time while being a busy mom to 3 extremely busy boys. And my channel is dedicated to showing you guys how to do exactly the same thing. It's definitely rare that I ever say anything is a game changer for my business, but I think this is legitimately a game changer for my business. I've known for a long time that I really should be cross-posting my items because I'm getting a lot of high-end things that would do well on Poshmark and Mercari. But the software that I found is a little expensive when you're trying to cross-post a lot of things and you have a larger store like me. And I haven't really found a cross-posting software that's worked for me and that I've really liked until Flyp, which is totally free. Like, it's free. There's no maximum number of listings you can cross-post. It'll cross-post for free to Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace, and it's working on Etsy and Shopify and Depop. Now, I got a chance to talk to the owner of Flyp, and I asked him, "Are you sure this is free? What is going on?" And he told me that was a common reaction, like skepticism when something is free, but no, it is 100% free and it works. I've been using it. So when other software platforms are charging upwards of $100 to $200 for a certain number of listings a month that you want to cross list and one is free, you can save some money. So why not? So I'm going to show you exactly how the software works. I have partnered with Flyp for this video because I do think it's awesome software and it's zero risk to you guys. And I'm going to be doing a reseller specific giveaway for you guys. I'm going to be giving away a Rollo thermal printer, a bunch of 4x6 labels, and a box of really good inventory to get you started with your reselling business or to just help you supplement what you've already started. All you have to do to enter is sign up for Flyp down in the link in my description, and that's it. You've entered, and I will choose somebody to give all these goodies to. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I install it, how to use it, and give you a complete tutorial. So up here in the top left, you have Sharer. It is a Poshmark Sharer. I know there's programs like Posher VA that I've seen recommended all the time. Posher VA is $25 a month. This is also free. So, no brainer to me. You can schedule things, auto offers, bulk offers. So using a sharer is kind of like using stock photos. Like, there can be some controversy around it. You know, I don't want to start anything. This is totally up to you. If you want to use a sharing service, you guys do what feels right to you, but this is a free option for anyone considering a service that will share your closet for you. So here in the cross lister, you can see that I have the listings that I've already cross-posted, but what I like to do is go to new item. I've linked my Poshmark and eBay stores to Flyp. I don't do a lot of listing on Facebook Marketplace or Mercari, so I'm sticking to Poshmark for now, but I'm sure as I get more comfortable with cross-posting, I will do Mercari as well. So what you can do is, this can be your listing software. You can list straight from this extension using the universal form. But if you already have listings in eBay, you can import from there. But for now, I'll show you how to use the universal form. So I have this Burberry dress that I picked up that I want to list. Drag and drop all of them from my desktop over to Flyp. And then I will put in my title. And then you can just put in a generic description that you have for your items. You can talk about your shipping. In the description, I do always like to put the title of the item. And this is where you can create a keyboard shortcut to make these descriptions much faster. So when I type in SL eBay, then I get this automated description that pops up, and you can go to your keyboard shortcuts and create that for Poshmark as well. I'm gonna put in all of the brand and the condition. I can put in the SKU, which I know to be E05, because that's the bin that I put it in. You can put in the weight, the dimensions. I don't do that because I have shipping templates that I use, and I go into that in more detail in my listing video. So I'm gonna list it at $150, and you can also put the cost of the item. My cost was $50. And I'll save it. Now it's populated into everything. It's here on Poshmark, it's here in Mercari, it's here as a draft on eBay, and all I have to do is make sure that all of the item specifics are filled out for this item. For Poshmark, I need to pick the category, and I guess I'll just put it's a midi dress. US size is a size 10. So I will put that there, and all I have to do is click list on Poshmark, and it's done. I can also get it listed on eBay. I've selected dresses. It is a size 10. It is a shirt, dress. So I'm just filling out all these item specifics. Okay, so once I have everything filled out, I will list it on eBay. Now let's say I have items already listed on eBay that I want to cross-post to Poshmark, which is currently what I'm doing, and vice versa. I can select new item, import from eBay, and it will pull up my eBay listings automatically, and I can just import all of that information and the photographs right to this extension. So for example, I have this Burberry Children 6Y blouse. It's gonna import it. It takes a second. All the images are here, as you can see. Everything is imported into Poshmark because that's where I'm wanting to cross-post it. The title, the description, it automatically imports the SKU, so I don't have to do very much. I mean, I haven't touched anything yet. All I really have to fill out is the category, shirts and tops, and blouse. It is a US girls size 6Y. And I'm gonna list it on Poshmark. I mean, you can see how easy that was. Done, it's listed. Okay, so now let's go back to my items. And let's say this item sells on Poshmark and I don't want it listed on eBay anymore. I don't want to have to go into eBay to find it and delist it. What I can do is just go to my items. I can search by title if I want to, but I can see it right here. If I go to actions and I mark it as sold, it will automatically delist it from every platform. So as you can see, I can put the date that it was sold on, the price, the cost of goods, and it's gonna even collect data for me that I can use to analyze my store, which is awesome. So if I mark it as sold, it would delist it from every other platform automatically, which is so great. Since I have just recently started using this extension, I don't have a ton of analytics, but I am going to be cross-posting as many things as I can to Poshmark and seeing what happens. And I'll definitely report back to you guys to let you know if I'm getting a lot more sales and how the software is continuing to work for me. So there you go. It's as simple as that. I'm super excited about it because again, there is no limit to how many you can do. Don't forget to sign up using my link down below, you guys, and I will be doing that giveaway of the thermal printer, some labels, and a box of really cool inventory. So make sure that you click the link. It doesn't ask for a credit card. It doesn't ask for any payment information at all. I know it's easy to be skeptical. I was too, but it's been a really cool extension and I have no qualms about recommending it to you guys. Okay, that does it for me today, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope this helps you. I hope it helps your business. I'm excited to report back on how cross-listing is working for me, if I'm getting extra sales because of it. I really think I will. It's something that I've been meaning to do for a long time, especially because I sell women's clothing. It does well on eBay, but I know it does well on Poshmark too. So selecting a bunch of items that I think would do well on Poshmark and cross-listing there, I think will absolutely change my business for the better. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It helps out my channel so much when you do. Thanks again, you guys. Take care, and I will catch you next time.